5. Natural anti-aging potato recipes. Wrinkle-free skin. Even at 65. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Health for You. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 amazing anti-aging skincare recipes using potatoes. Simple, affordable, and incredibly effective. These remedies can help you erase wrinkles, fade dark spots, and rejuvenate your skin naturally, all from the comfort of your own home. You might find it hard to believe, but yes, even at the age of 65, it's possible to have smooth, glowing skin without wrinkles, as long as you know the right methods and stay consistent. So let's dive right in and discover these powerful natural beauty recipes together. Why potatoes are a natural elixir for your skin. Before we get into the recipes, let's take a closer look at why potatoes are so beneficial for the skin. Potatoes are not just a tasty kitchen staple, they are a hidden gem in natural skincare. Potatoes contain catecholase enzymes, which help lighten dark spots and pigmentation. They're also rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that fights free radicals, the main cause of premature aging, wrinkles, and dull skin. The natural starch and enzymes in potatoes gently exfoliate dead cells and encourage new skin growth, giving your face a fresh, radiant glow. And that's not all. Potatoes also have cooling and anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce puffiness and calm irritated skin. If you place a few slices of raw potato under your eyes for 10 minutes, you'll instantly feel refreshed and notice reduced eye bags. Recipe 1. Potato and milk. Brightening and rejuvenating mask. This is the simplest and most versatile recipe, perfect for all skin types, even sensitive ones. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of mashed potato, either boiled or raw, 1 teaspoon of milk, unsweetened. Instructions: blend the potato with half a cup of water, then strain and take the pulp. Mix the potato pulp with milk until smooth. Apply evenly on your face, neck, and chest. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Benefits: milk contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates the skin, while potato helps brighten and even out skin tone. This combination leaves your skin soft, radiant, and youthful. For best results, use it 2 to 3 times a week. Recipe 2. Potato and banana. Deep moisturizing and wrinkle-reducing mask. This mask is perfect for dry, aging, or dehydrated skin. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of mashed potato, a small piece of ripe banana. Instructions: mash the banana until smooth, then mix with mashed potato. Apply to the face and neck. Gently massage in circular motions for better absorption. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Benefits: bananas are rich in vitamins A, C, E, and potassium, which deeply hydrate and nourish the skin. Combined with potatoes, this mask acts as a natural anti-aging treatment, reducing wrinkles and improving skin elasticity. After rinsing, apply a light moisturizer to keep your skin soft and hydrated. Recipe 3. Potato and turmeric. Brightening and anti-inflammatory mask, perfect for acne-prone, dull, or uneven skin tone. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of mashed potato, 1.4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Instructions: mix the 2 ingredients into a smooth paste. Apply evenly to your face, neck, and chest. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Benefits: turmeric contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound that helps reduce acne, fade scars, and brighten the complexion. When combined with potato, it helps fade pigmentation, calm inflammation, and bring back your skin's natural glow. Tip: use only 2 to 3 times a week, and don't leave it on for too long, as turmeric can slightly stain the skin. Recipe 4. Potato and green tea. Soothing and firming mask. If you have sensitive skin or redness, this gentle mask will be your favorite. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of mashed potato, 1 teaspoon of brewed green tea, cooled. Instructions: brew a cup of green tea and let it cool down. Mix the tea with mashed potato until smooth. Apply evenly to your face, neck, and chest. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Benefits: green tea contains polyphenols and EGCG, which reduce inflammation, fight free radicals, and protect the skin from UV damage. Together with potato, this recipe helps tighten pores, soothe irritation, and make the skin feel firm and refreshed. After washing off, your skin will feel smooth, calm, and revitalized. Recipe 5. Potato and cinnamon. Boost circulation and fade fine lines. This mask helps revive tired, dull-looking skin and adds a natural rosy glow. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of mashed potato, a small pinch of cinnamon powder. Instructions: mix the ingredients until you get a consistent paste. Apply to your face, neck, chest, and even hands if desired. Leave it on for 7 to 10 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Benefits: cinnamon helps stimulate blood circulation, improving skin tone and vitality. When paired with potato, this recipe reduces puffiness, smooths fine lines, and enhances your natural complexion. If you have sensitive skin, do a patch test first to make sure your skin tolerates cinnamon well. Tips for the best results: always cleanse your face before applying any mask to remove dirt and oil. After rinsing, use toner or rose water to balance the skin's pH. Be consistent. Use these masks 2-3 times a week for visible improvement. Alternate between recipes so your skin gets a variety of nutrients. Don't forget to drink plenty of water, get enough sleep, and eat lots of vegetables, because healthy skin starts from the inside. Final thoughts. Ageless beauty is within reach. As you can see, with just a few simple kitchen ingredients, potato, milk, banana, turmeric, green tea, and cinnamon, you can create powerful natural anti-aging masks at home. You don't need expensive skincare products to look young and radiant, just consistency, patience, and self-love. Try these recipes and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. Where are you watching this video from? I'd love to know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Health for You for more natural health and beauty tips every week. Thank you for watching, and remember, true beauty starts from self-care and healthy living. Gyung Nguyen Noi Dungo Tran Vahong